My name is Pragati Shah Parasar. I am from Hooghly Mohsin College and I am legal intern of Lex company. My topic is patent. So, a patent is an exclusive right which is granted to a person to invent a new thing or to make the improvement in existing things or to find out the new process of making the things. The patent is charged for a limited period of time. After expiry of period, anyone can use their idea, their process of making the product and their invention. Anyone can make the improvement on it after a limited period of time. So the concept of patent and their essential ingredients are novelty, invention steps, lacks of description, and sufficient of lack of a business and sufficient of description, etc. So patent is a part of industrial property which is also now known as intellectual property. uh, it, the inventor can the inventor can sell their patent to another person or can sell and can transfer their license to another person. So it is exploitation of patent. A patent is a creation. A patent may be used within the territory of within a territory. It cannot be applied to another territory unless the same patent law or same patent theory is followed on that country. So what is the objective of the patent? So main objective of the patent is to encourage the idea, knowledge of the inventor. So it encourages the idea, knowledge of inventor. The patent gives reward to the inventor. So they may disclose their making product, making process of product, make their description of the product, and because they know their patent is fixed for a limited period of time, they can any no one can use their idea and knowledge for making the product. So can they easily do their product without any fear. So patent encourage their idea, their invention capacity. Okay, invention capacity. Inventor made this. It gives the opportunity to the inventor to disclose their idea and knowledge. So after the limited period of time, anyone can use that idea and make the improvement on that idea. So the theory of patent is basically based on the opportunity or the opportunity of acquiring the exclusive right for making the improvement on that product. These are depend upon the four ways. First, it encourages the inventor to produce the new product and encourage the new idea of product. It gives reward to the inventor. So they give the full description about the product, how they make the improvement. They it increase the wealth of economic of the country. So the economic of the country, it is generally it helps in the development of the country. Patent helps the development of the country and wealth of the country. If new idea and new process of technology came out by the inventor, so people by the inventor, so new labor, so it helps the employment process of the country, development of the country, and invention of the country. And after that, when the idea and knowledge and description of the invention has disclosed, so after limited period of time, anyone can make the invention more better and try to find out more improved product, more improved technology. So it increase the development of the country, it helps to develop the country. The term of patent generally granted in India is 14 years, except the foods and drugs patent, for which the term was 5 years from the date of sealing, or 7 years from the date of patent, whichever is shorter. So in almost all the country at present, term of patent for all invention varies from 16 to 20 years. By the Patent Act 2002, it increased the term of 20 years. Today, invention of new product or new process of, particularly in the field of medicine, in general, it involves the collective of efforts of many highly skilled professionals and expenditure of considerable amount of money and time, which only big corporation and institution can afford. Beside the manufacture of the article or product on the commercial scale require further effort of money, although under modern condition only the big corporation or institution can afford to engage the research and development of new product or process. So we know, so all over the patent means an exclusive right which is given to the person to do their make an improvement, and after that anyone can use. It is made for 16 to 14 years. The main object of the patent is to encourage the inventor to invent something new. So it is all about the introduction of patent and their time limit and the object.